Apply this treatment only at night and wake up looking very young, like you will look very young. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing if you love beauty tips like this. Turn on the bell as well so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So like the title says, apply this treatment at night and you will never regret it. This will help to keep your skin staying young. If you have wrinkles, fine lines, or any other signs of aging, this will help you greatly to make your skin looking so fresh and younger. If you also have puffy eyes, this treatment will help greatly. The ingredients are so powerful, like very potent at making sure it gets rid of all this swollen face, swollen eyes, removing any traces of wrinkles and fine lines. If you make use of this treatment every night, people will doubt your age, like seriously. So without wasting time, let me show you how to make this remedy for effective results. So before you start with the mixing, you have to get a very clean bowl. Make sure everything you are using is clean. So this is for mixing, and we are going to make use of just 3 ingredients. Only 3 ingredients will help you greatly, and they are mostly kitchen ingredients, things you can find in your kitchen. The first ingredient is cornflour, or you call it cornstarch. Cornflour or cornstarch helps so well to fight free radical damage on your skin that makes you age faster. It also contains exfoliating ingredient that when you apply it on your skin, it will get rid of dead skin cells that makes you look dull. If you have a dull skin, this will help greatly. If you have so much oil on your skin, you will benefit a lot from cornstarch because it will help to absorb so much oil from your skin, keeping your skin looking so matte, looking so flawless, going out there with no makeup, and you'll be looking so beautiful. Next ingredient we're going to use here is coffee. Yes, I love coffee so much. So this is coffee like the one, your cafe, the one you use in making your morning tea. Since it's only your skin you'll be using it for, go ahead and make use of caffeinated or decaffeinated coffee, no problem. So coffee here will help so well to get rid of wrinkles, any traces of aging. It will help to pull in moisture into your skin. Your skin will look so plump and younger. If you have so much dry skin, you benefit so well from this coffee. Adding this coffee into this facial mask will help you so well to stay younger all the time. And another bonus is that if you have puffy eyes, swollen eyes, or wrinkles under your eyes, this will help so well to clear it out, debloating it and making sure your skin is back to normal. So before showing you the last ingredient, which is the third one, I'll go with the mixing. So the first ingredient you have to mix into that bowl is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Please follow the instructions, it will help you greatly. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or cornflour. After adding your cornflour or cornstarch, you go ahead with coffee. Add half tablespoon of coffee ground. Yes, use any one, even if yours is smooth or not, just add it. Okay, during mixing, it's going to mix thoroughly. Add it into the cornstarch, half tablespoon. This should be used for mixing. It's not only for mixing, you also benefit a lot from it. So here we have rose water. I don't joke with rose water at all. Make use of plain rose water. This is not added with anyone. There are some rose water that contains glycerin in it. Please make use of only rose water. The one that have glycerin in it shouldn't be used for one that have oily skin. And also some glycerin can make one to get darker. Okay, like in one of my videos, someone was asking if they can make use of the rose water they have, the one that contains glycerin. I said no. And that is because when your skin is getting darker, you may think that is my remedy. Please do not make use of that rose water. Make use of a plain one. Rose water is for all skin type. That is good news. It helps to balance skin pH, making sure your skin is flawless. I love rose water so well because this is a wonderful toner. Using it as a facial toner alone without mixing with anything will make your skin look younger. It will do your skin a great work, making sure it gets rid of acne, pimples, dark spots, controlling aging signs and more. Rose water is for everything. Like if you have a dry skin, this will help to hydrate your skin, keeping your skin well moisturized. If you have a sensitive skin, good news is for all skin type. So adding it into your facial treatment or applying it alone will keep your skin glowing beautifully. I always use it to clean my face early morning as I wake up. It keeps my skin looking so fresh, with that lovely glow. So just go ahead and add it little by little. Be mixing it. Use it to mix the two ingredients I mentioned earlier, the cornstarch and the coffee, little by little. You don't want that treatment to be watery, and you don't want it to be so thick. If you add it little, you use a spoon to mix. Add it little until it's okay. The treatment need to appear like a semi-liquid and semi-solid, not watery, please. When you are done mixing the treatment, it will turn brown, and that is because of the coffee. And the smell is amazing. You love the smell. I love applying it because of another thing I love about this treatment is the tightening effect. Like if you apply coffee or cornstarch on your skin, after about 5 to 10 minutes, you'll be noticing the tightening effect. That is to show that it's really working. Like it will penetrate into your skin and do it a good job. After mixing this treatment, go ahead and wash off all makeup. Keep your skin very clean. Apply it on your face and neck. If you only want to treat some part of your body, maybe under your eye, on your neck, or only one part, just wash that affected area, then apply this treatment using your hand or brush. If you do not have rose water, you can make use of water, but I just told you the benefits of rose water, so you have to get it and you never regret it. After applying this treatment on the place you want to treat, or you just want to apply to look good generally, or to delay signs of aging, leave it on for 10-15 minutes only. After 10-15 minutes, then you wash it off using a lukewarm water. Lukewarm water is water that is not cold and not hot, just semi like warm. Okay, use it to wash it off. As you're washing it off, you have to be rubbing your skin as you're washing it off, and this will help greatly to exfoliate your skin, leaving your skin very smooth and fresh at the end. So wash it off and apply a very light moisturizer or not. Use this treatment 3 times weekly. You can go ahead and make use of it every day for best results. You will never regret it at all. Store the remain in the refrigerator to last maximum of 5 days. After 5 days, trash it out and make a fresh one. Remember the measurement of the ingredients and you will never regret it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.